So first of all, unfortunately, there is not all the country had the chance to host a collection of Bruegel the Elder, and for that reason, it is already added value of this kind of project is to give the access to this kind of cultural heritage. And on the more technological aspect, what I can say is that with this kind of gigapixel technology, we can go in ultra high resolution and we can see some details that you can sometimes see with your naked eye. And the Google engineer worked very hard on the colorimetrics, and you have it's very impressive, this kind of technology to explore the paintings.